Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bilal Anwar, CEO of NDRMF. Pakistan is passing through a unique phase of history. 63% of our population is aged between 15 to 33 years. Basically all of you. So-called development dividend can serve as a main engine for economic growth if youth can educate and skill themselves with new and emerging sectors. Doctors, engineers, and accountants will continue to remain essential. But new and emerging issues and cutting-edge technologies are opening new vistas of opportunities for education, skill development, and eventually jobs. As the CEO of NDRMF, one of the key national funds dealing with the issues of climate change and disaster risk reduction, I encourage youth to educate themselves with these sciences. I invite you all to skill yourself with knowledge, expertise, and sciences related to climate change, disaster risk reduction, disaster financing, mitigation, adaptation, and many other cool sciences. NDRMF look forward to support from our youth in dealing with climate and disaster challenges. Thank you very much.